Welcome and hello everyone. My name is Gordon Feener and I am the Chief Editor of mass2ablog.com. During the course of this informational segment, I'd like to briefly focus on the issue of homeowner insurance coverage for firearms and related equipment. This informational segment is the first in a series of 2 segments concerning the Massachusetts homeowner insurance policy and firearms. The standard Massachusetts homeowner insurance policy provides insurance coverage for the homeowner, commonly known as the insured, under 2 separate sections of the homeowner insurance policy. The first section of the policy generally provides coverage for the property of the homeowner, including building and contents, subject to various limitations and exclusions. The second section of the homeowner insurance policy generally provides coverage for the homeowner in the event that a claim or litigation is brought against the homeowner or insured. This segment will only address Section 1 coverage. Insurance coverage under Section 2 of the homeowner policy will be the subject of a separate segment. Under Section 1 coverage of the Massachusetts homeowner policy, firearms are considered to be personal property of the insured. The standard homeowner insurance policy provides coverage for the personal property owned or used by an insured while it is anywhere in the world. It should be noted, however, that firearms and related equipment are subject to special limits of liability. In general terms, firearms and related equipment are generally treated like any other personal property of the homeowner if they are destroyed by fire or hurricane or a similar occurrence. In such a case, there would be coverage under the contents limit of the policy as stated on the insurance policy declaration page. You should note that in the event of theft, the limit for liability under the standard homeowner insurance policy is generally set at $2,500 for a loss of a firearm and related equipment. This limit of liability would be subject to any changes that have been made to the basic form as a result of the insurance carrier or insured adding a specific endorsement. You should note that depending upon the insurance company, this $2,500 limit may be increased by requesting an endorsement to increase that limit. If you have been the victim of loss by theft of a firearm and related equipment, special attention should be paid in the filing of a claim with respect to the issue of related equipment. If the other items or related equipment that were lost as a result of theft can be used in connection with something other than a firearm, it may not fall within the category of, quote, related equipment, and therefore may not be subject to the $2,500 limit. Should you feel that your coverage is inadequate, among your options is to obtain an endorsement to your policy, increasing the limit, or another option would be to seek supplemental insurance coverage from those organizations and insurance companies that concentrate and focus on owners of firearms. I invite you to listen to our companion segment, which will briefly focus on Section 2 of the Massachusetts homeowner insurance policy, which provides coverage for the homeowner against claims that may have been brought by someone outside the household who is seeking to recover for damage or injury caused by the homeowner or insured. Hopefully, this segment has given you sufficient information and direction to further educate yourself on firearm insurance coverage under the homeowner insurance policy and whether to seek coverage above and beyond the standard policy. For additional information, you may wish to visit our website at www.mass2ablog.com. In conclusion, I'd like to thank you for listening to this informational and educational segment and remind you that this segment can be considered to be advertising under the ethical rules. This segment should not be considered to be legal advice, which should only be provided by a knowledgeable and competent attorney. Should you have a subject that you wish to have addressed in these blogs, please do not hesitate to email me. I also invite you to visit our webpage at www.mass2ablog.com to view and subscribe to our monthly postings. Thank you and have a good and safe day.